Welcome. Myself, Dr. R. Shukla, will teach you subject administrative law. This lecture is being delivered for the 3 years and 5 years classes. Now take definition of administrative law. So many professors have defined administrative law, but in short I'll discuss you only few writers so that it may be helpful for your better study. Sir Ivor Jennings has said administrative law is the law relating to administration. It determines the powers, functions and organization of administration. This is well discussed in administrative branch and it is more helpful to transparent and accountable administration. Another important definition is Professor M.P. Jain's definition. He says administrative law deals with the structure, powers and functions of the administration. The method and procedures adopted by the administrative officers is covered under the definition of administrative. So, any process and method is adopted by administrative officials comes under the purview of administration. So, I will move another topic, that is reasons for the growth of administrative law. So many reasons can be put forward for the reasons behind the growth of administrative law, but only few which are very important for the growth of administrative law is being discussed. Number one, change in philosophy of state. There is a radical change in the philosophy of state. Concept of state was laissez-faire, it turned into welfare state. So, it made compulsory to devise some quick remedies if any problem arises to common citizen. Another reason is inadequate and quick measures regarding dispute settlement. In dispute settlement, when a citizen feels aggrieved by the decision of administration, it is mandatory that quick remedy regarding judicial wrong redressal should be devised. So, administrative law put the solution so that administrative law is necessary for the better administration of rule of law. Another reason is experimentation. If any problem arises, which is not tried and tested, then it put some problems in implementing in the society. So administrative law devises another brief and short remedy to conclude the administration and administrative procedure. So it is a solution providing law to sort out long dispute in very little and less expense. So these were reasons behind the growth of administrative law. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
बंद कर दो इसको।